Guys, so today it's quite a windy day today. We have been struggling a lot with rain currently down on the south coast, so we had quite a lot of it last week, and I haven't been able to get out into the garden that much. But today I finished work early. The sun is kind of shining still. It's literally behind the houses behind me, and today I'm going to be just trimming and sorting out my wisteria. So you have to prune wisteria ideally while it's dormant, that way it doesn't stress the plant out, and it will obviously give you a nice flush of flowers. Mine are quite young, they haven't flowered. I got them when they were teeny tiny, and as you can see I've made a trellis, or put a trellis against my shed, and they have started to sprout. Now wisterias are deciduous, so which means they do lose their leaves, pardon me. They do lose their leaves during the winter, but they will hopefully come back nice and fresh in ready the spring summer. So let's get pruning. So the trick with wisteria, is more, because they are dormant currently, it doesn't stress them out when you give them a prune. You have to give them a prune. It just looks nicer, it's better for them, it's much healthier. Now, the way you do it is you literally just look for the dead kind of stems. So as you can see, mine is quite small, but it is kind of flourishing, so it's good to take back any dead stems really. So you can see here, there's not really much going on, so cutting it back and taking off the dead bits is fine. You're just going to have to go through, cut off any loose ends that you can see. So that one is fine to cut there, and the plant is still healthy, so it's not going to die. So it is just a case of taking it back, seeing what needs to be done, and then re-wrapping it round. Look here. Go. And then just retraining it basically. You just need to retrain it back in. Mine are all quite trained already, so again, it's just working out what's good and what's bad. So just untackle that. Give it a good lop and a good cut back. Down with it. As you can see, I've wound this one round some string, just some garden twine, just to help it. And as I say, because it's got quite long, put it back to about there, and then cut there. So any dead bits you could just take off, and it just refreshes it really. Makes it a lot happier, a lot neater, a lot prettier. As I said, my wisteria is not very big, so that was that. And that is the wisteria pruned.